The question says, what do you understand by the denticity of ligand? Denticity of the ligand. Keep in mind, denticity of a ligand is the capacity of a ligand to form coordinate bond. Okay, denticity of a ligand is the capacity of a ligand to form coordinate bond. Now let's say, if a ligand is capable to form only one coordinate bond, then we say unidentate. If the ligand is able to form two coordinate bond, we say didentate. Didentate means it can form two bond. And if it is forming three bond, then we say tridentate. So based on the capacity of forming bond by the ligands, we categorize into different part: unidentate, didentate, tridentate, tetra, penta, hexa, heptadentate. Okay, we can take some example. Now let's say, if I talk about cyanide ion is there, it has only one negative charge. So in this case, we can see it is a negative unidentate ligands because it can form only one bond. But if I mention this is what COO minus, this is what COO minus is there. So in this case, two negative charge are there, then we can see it is a didentate because it can form two bonds. What kind of bond? Coordinate bond. So these are the examples of negative, unidentate and didentate. In case if we talk about neutral ligands, we have ammonia molecule. In this case, you can see it is having only one lone pair. So we can say it is a neutral unidentate or monodentate ligands because it can form only one coordinate bond. Okay, but if I take it is CH2, it is NH2, and then we have CH2 and it is NH2. This is what ethylene diamine is there. Ethylene diamine. So in this case, how many lone pair are there? Two lone pair, means it can form two coordinate bond with the central metal atom. Hence we can say this is what a neutral didentate ligand. So based on the capacity of forming the coordinate bond by the ligands with the central metal atom, okay, the denticity of the ligands is categorized into didentate, tridentate, tetra, penta, hexa. So it's the capacity of forming the coordinate bond by the ligands with the central metal atom. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.